Hey guys, it's Joseph from BlackboxMyCar. Welcome to episode 4 of our Q&A sesh where we pick all of our favorite questions and comments from the internet and we answer them on the air. If you like what we've been doing, be sure to leave a comment and we might just cover it in our next video. This first question comes from YouTube. Hi, I have questions. When you plug the fuse tab into fuse box, doesn't matter which way fuse tab are plugged in, or the side of two fuses is always facing downward. The orientation of the fuse tab does need to be quite specific. We're gonna put up a picture right on the screen that you can see exactly what the orientation is supposed to be like. Because if you don't do it this way, what tends to happen is you may not get power to your dash cam, or it might result in some electrical issues for your car. So it is quite important to make sure the orientation is accurate. If you have any questions, you can drop a comment below, or you can reach out to our support team and we're here to help. For our second question, it also comes from YouTube from @SupermanG. Even if in parking mode, the camera didn't get the license plate number, you could still use the video for your insurance company for evidence, stating the facts on what happened. This question was left on our video on how parking mode could save you money. Not only could it save you money, but it's always nice, even if it doesn't capture the license plate number, at least you have evidence on exactly what happened. This next question comes from Reddit, from a user named iCodyOnline. I currently have the DR900X Plus, and I can see slight enhancements between the two. Nice. But what is the difference between the regular 970X Plus and the new Series 2? They use the same sensor, same processor. I can't find anything different except the Series 2 can handle 1 terabyte. So you're right in that the Series 2, the most obvious difference is the fact that it can take up to 1 terabyte worth of micro SD card. But there are some other things that I'd like to mention, and we did cover all of these differences in our latest video with the BlackVue Series 2. But a couple of things I'll mention is that it does have an upgraded processor. It does have faster boot time, going from around 24 to 36 seconds to about 14 seconds, and also better refined optics as well. So you can catch all the details in our latest BlackVue video. Let's move on to the next comment. This one comes from Immediate Badger 63 on Reddit. Hey, I have a car with tinted windows that someone keeps spraying front and back with adhesive. Why would anyone do that? What do you recommend? Dash cam / cameras with parking mode plus battery pack plus perhaps a stationary camera to catch the vandals from my window or a concealed place. So for one, sorry to hear that someone's been spraying your car with adhesive. Like, who does that? Obviously, vandalism is something we completely stand against, and we want to protect our customers from. So for a recommendation, we'd recommend something that offers long-term recording, something that's gonna help protect you, especially when you're not there. Anything from, say, the ThinkWare U3000 with a PowerCell 8 battery pack would be really helpful in protecting you in the long term. Or alternatively, we could even recommend picking one of the newer BlackVue Series 2 dash cams because they're introducing a new low-power parking mode that could help protect you over the long term too. And obviously combine that with a battery pack that could even extend your protection even further. If you have any follow-up questions or you need more recommendations, just reach out to our support team and we're here to help you find the right dash cam based on your situation. This next one comes from Instagram from a user named ScottyD317. I have a BlackVue battery and want to extend it. What's a good add-on for the one that I have? Scotty, I don't exactly know which battery pack you have. I'm assuming you have either the B130A or B130X battery pack. So if that's the case, unfortunately, BlackVue doesn't have any expandable batteries specifically for those. That said, if you did happen to have a B124X battery pack, which is the previous generation, you can actually combine it with the Selling Neo extended battery in order to extend your parking mode. So if you do happen to have the B124X, well, reach out to us and we'll help you find the right extended battery pack for you. This next one also comes from Instagram from Jesse2497. Are you guys gonna come out with a new PowerCell 8? Maybe. You'll find out very soon. We're at our last question, and this question comes from Facebook from a user named Terry Wilcox. I have an RJ11 connector near my rear view. What adapter, if any, can I use to connect my Viofo A129 Plus quad? This is an interesting one. You can't actually connect any Viofo dash cams or just dash cams in general to an RJ11 adapter. I did consult with our support team about this, and what I took away from our conversation is that we're suspecting that the RJ11 adapter was probably left behind for a radar detector by the previous owner of the vehicle. So if you're wondering what you should do with it, well, if you have a radar detector, you could probably use it for that, but otherwise it's probably not going to be of use for anything else. Thanks for the comment. Well guys, that's it for episode 4 of our Q&A sesh. Because this is video number 4 already, please leave a comment down below so that we can cover them in our next Q&A video. And of course, make sure to smash that like button to stay up to date on everything BlackboxMyCar, because we got way more content coming out in the near future. See you in the next one.